Yeah.
And it just breaks my heart to hear what people are saying about it, the conspiracy theories and the lack of, Newsom did this with the money and why is that reservoir dry? And, everyone's pointing fingers and just making all this controversy and just making all this shit when people's people lost their lives, their homes, everything. And we're pointing fingers. It just bugs the shit out of me so much,
Yeah.
you know?
There's nothing
I
more intimate or emotional than somebody's home, where you
that,
rest your head. You know what I mean? Where you make
yeah.
meals, where you have people over, where you live life. It's got to be the most personal thing, or one of the most personal experiences that a human being can have. And then all of a sudden, when that's completely taken away from you by forces outside of your control,
Outside your control.
um, you're just absolutely devastated. And so I don't know where these conspiracy theories are coming from. I don't know if they're coming necessarily from the people who are experiencing the loss.
No,
Maybe some
no.
of them.
Well, I mean, so the fires were set deliberately so those homes would build and big corporations can come in and put, resorts there. All the insurance companies bailed on most of these homeowners back in December because they wouldn't be able to pay any premiums, like knowing fires were going to be coming. Oh, this is just it's over and over. It's Fox News, Fox News, Fox News.
It's to me, going back to the whole 24-hour news cycle line, right? That whole
Sure.
trope, part of it's true. At the end of the day, everybody's looking for something to talk about. Everybody's looking for content. People have
Yeah,
got
that
minutes to fill, and slots to book and do all that
people
other
lost
stuff.
everything. I mean,
They don't care.
I know, but look,
It's outside of them.
the drone when it flies over, it's the whole area is gone,
Mm-hmm.
just gone.
Mm-hmm.
I rode my bike there. Watson and I would ride our bikes around that area. I actually ate a couple of the restaurants up there. That Real Inn. I mean, sitting at that bar having beers. It's gone. And people just like, they're rich, they can afford it. No, no,
Yeah, that to me is probably one of the more just gross reactions to
yeah,